Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a lost WordPress password using phpMyAdmin, a powerful method that can rescue your site access when those password reset emails just aren't arriving. Whether you're managing a blog, an online store, or a client project, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly and safely regain entry to your WordPress dashboard, even if you're completely locked out. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access phpMyAdmin. To do this, begin by logging into the control panel provided by your web host. This might be cPanel, hPanel, or even something like the Bluehost dashboard, depending on who hosts your site. Look for the phpMyAdmin icon. It's often grouped with other database tools. If you're not sure where to find it, take your time and don't hesitate to use your host's search bar or support documentation. Getting into phpMyAdmin is like opening the back door to your website's engine room, so proceed carefully and deliberately. Inside phpMyAdmin, you'll see a list of databases in the left sidebar. Here, where things can feel a little daunting, especially if you have multiple sites or your host manages several databases for you, you need to select the database that powers your WordPress site. If you're not sure which one it is, think back to the name you used during installation or check your WP config PHP file. It tells you the database name your site is using. Once you've clicked your database, you'll see a list of tables. Look for WP users, but here's a quick tip. Your table might not be called exactly WP users. Some hosts add a prefix for security, like WP74 users or similar. Just scan the list until you spot the user's table. Now let's find your user account. You'll see a grid with all WordPress users listed. Each row is an account. Scroll through until you spot your username in the user login column. Once you do, look to the left for the little pencil icon. That's the edit button. Give it a single click. It'll bring up a form where you can change all kinds of details related to your account. Take a deep breath here because we are about to change an encrypted password and we want to do it correctly. On the edit screen, focus on the row labeled User Pass. This is where WordPress stores your password, but don't expect to see your old password since it's hidden behind encryption. In the function dropdown for this row, you must select MD5. This step is critical. If you forget to set the function to MD5, WordPress won't understand your new password and you'll be stuck outside, so switch to MD5, then in the value field, erase the jumbled string you see and type in your new password in plain text. Something unique and secure, but easy for you to remember right now. Once you're sure everything looks good, scroll down and press the Go button to save your changes. It might take a moment and then you'll see a success message. Almost done. Head back over to your WordPress login page, which is at your domain, then /WPAdmin. Type in your username and the shiny new password you just set. If everything went smoothly, you'll land right back in your dashboard, access restored, and that's it. You've just used phpMyAdmin to reset your WordPress password manually, a super handy skill that might just save you in a pinch. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ran into any issues along the way, leave a comment below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.